Hello everybody and welcome to Dixie Belle Paint's YouTube channel. I'm Laura from Cherubs Chalks Interiors and today I'm going to show you how I flipped this worn out dining set into something modern, farmhouse chic. I was given this solid pine round dining table for free and as you can see it's been painted before but it's in need of a new style. I then went on to find these 4 chairs to complete the set. These also need some attention. So the first job is to get rid of all that chipping paint. We need to completely remove this as it's obviously flaking and not in a good condition to paint over. I decided that I wanted to create a custom mixed blue for this project, so I chose the 3 colours, Cape Currant, Deep Sea and Mirage. If you are thinking about making your own custom colour mix, you can use Dixie Belle's Colour Lab on their website to see what the colours together will look like. Once you have created a mix that you like, you can then download the colour recipe. I decided to get the shade that I wanted, I was going to use an equal ratio of each colour. So I've gone for 1 part of each Cape Currant, Deep Sea and Mirage. So in this case, I'm using 150 ml of each shade and then mixing it all together. In my opinion, this makes the perfect blue shade and is exactly what I was looking for this dining set. So now I'm going to apply 2 coats to the table base and to all 4 chairs. Now for the tabletop, I've been sanding it right back. I started with 80 grit sandpaper, then I went on to 120, then I went on to 240 and now I'm finishing off with some 320 to get a really smooth finish. Now before I do any work, I always give a thorough clean with Dixie Belle's White Lightning degreaser. I then fill up spray bottles with this and I use it for all of my projects. I used up my last pre-made bottle on the chairs, so I thought I'd show you quickly how I mix it up and how I then clean the piece. So I give it a good spray all over, wipe it with a microfiber cloth, and then I come back and rinse all of that degreaser off with some plain water. Now I'm back with my water misting bottle. I'm going to give the piece a light misting all over before I start applying my Voodoo Gel Stain in Au Natural. I always use a blue sponge to apply this and I just wipe the product on all over the tabletop. Misting the surface with the water first helps you to achieve a smooth, even layer. It also helps the wood to absorb the gel stain. When working with this product, I prefer to work in thin, even layers and build up the coverage as I go. To add an extra special touch to this tabletop, I am using the When Life Gives You Lemon stencil and I am applying this on the top using Sandcastle Silk Mineral Paint and a roller. As always, when working with a stencil, it's better to go sparingly with the paint. This helps you to avoid any bleed through and again you can build up the coverage with further layers if you wish. Now I'm looking for a rustic farmhouse finish with this table, so I'm just going to lightly sand all over the tabletop just to give it a very lightly distressed finish. As a tabletop is bound to get a lot of use, it's really important to seal for protection to make sure it has a long-lasting finish. So I have got some satin clear coat and again I've got my blue sponge and I'm just applying in long smooth strokes, working with the grain. So here is the finished dining set. I'm sure that you'll agree it looks so much better after its makeover. And I'm definitely going to be using this custom blue mix again. It's vibrant and classy all in one. And I have to say I absolutely love the stenciled tabletop. It adds a real extra special touch and it also makes it completely unique. I hope that you enjoyed watching us create our latest project. If you'd like to see more of what we do, then you can find us at Cherubs Chalks Interiors on all of the social media platforms. For more videos like this, Be sure to subscribe, leave a comment and turn on your post notifications to get notified when we next post. Thanks for watching.